Hey guys, I just got this cap lat bar in the mail. It's got a revolving hanger, 360. It's 48 inches long. It's 11 pounds, so it's already got some weight to it. Feels real heavy duty, like it could hold several hundred pounds. Not sure the exact maximum capacity, but I'm sure it's strong enough to hold whatever weight you're going to use. So just for a comparison, there's a skateboard next to it, so that kind of gives you a frame of reference. So one thing I noticed, and this is really common with these weight bars, is when you first get it and you're first using it, you will notice a little of the coating coming off on your hands. That's silver, but that will go away eventually the more you use it. So I saw some reviews that said the centerpiece was rusted when it arrived. Just kind of show you that. Mine's not rusted. Maybe they just got unlucky, but mine's definitely not rusted. So I've got a body solid cable crossover machine I'm going to hook it up to. By the way, I've got a video on how to assemble this on my channel. I'll put a link to it in the description and the comments below. So this does fit a standard size clip with plenty of room to spare. So overall, feels solid, feels heavy duty. Everything looks good. Feels like it can hold a lot of weight. It's actually really affordable compared to a lot of lat pull down bars that you can find online. I'm happy with it. I would definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching.